in the second set. So I guess it can't get any worse than that. Let's see if things will change here in set number 3. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Anton Ross together with Cara Acevedo Ong and Nikki Santos is with us as well at courtside. Padillon down the line.
Padillon has been one of the spikers that Donna Peralejas has been going to. As you see here, inaanggulo niya yung bola kasi nakita na naman niya na hindi na naman handa yung defense dun sa zone 1. Another error dito sa side ng San Beda. This time from the setter, Molina. Masyadong malapit yung first ball. She couldn't adjust right away.
And an ace for Donalyn Paranejas. What a match she has played.
I know, kanina pa natin hina-highlight kung gaano siya ka-aggressive sa game na to. So far, yung intensity niya hasn't dropped.
The chief playmaker, Donalyn Paranejas. Rewarding all of the Arellano students who came here today as she has been putting on a show.
The scoring setter.
Tama ka dun. As we see, De Guzman get the point.
Pao De Guzman has been quite quiet pero nakikita natin dito, napapako na naman ang depensa ng San Beda.
Masyado malakas para kay Donna. Coach Edgar changing things up. We have some young players on the floor. So, new player Jazz Kasugod is in. Plays the middle blocker position. Lane Arizapa is also in, a rookie, wearing number 15.
Napakaraming players na who can gain much experience from games like these.
Babalikan natin yung report ni Mickey kanina. Sabi ni Coach Obet, gusto niyang tapusin sa loob ng 3 sets. So they're on the right track.
Masyadong matagal. Nag-stay yung bola dun sa arms ni Dodi.
Still in the service area, Angel Abaco.
Oh, definitely a lift there.
Still a 1-point lead for Arellano. Not anymore. 18 points for Angel Habacon.
Parang di napapagod tong si Angel.
Oo nga eh.
Jump serve since the first set.
At itong 18 points ni Angel, that's more than the average of 80% of the players in the NCAA.
Grabe,
And it's-
super rookie.
And it's still very early in the 3rd set.
Padillon, meanwhile, also having a good game today with a stronger hit. Kanina pa nila tina-target tong zone 1 ng San Beda.
Molina. Paralejas, back set.
Off the block. Ball to the slot.
Arellano just continuing to enjoy this game. Enjoying na lahat sila so far. Parang maganda yung connection today. Maganda yung gising.
Molina. Oh. Set intended for Bakar. unable to hit it properly, and Arellano makes them pay.
Dito, I think, lumalabas yung pagiging rookie inexperience. Parang kailangan nila ng mental toughness pa. Kailangan pa nila mag-grow.
Magaling puts Arellano on top by 4. And when we come back, Mickey Santos will have another report from courtside.
Bigong makapasok sa 2024 Paris Olympics si Tokyo Olympic gold medalist at Pinay weightlifter na si Heidelin Diaz. Hindi nakamit ni Diaz ang kailangang puntos sa 59 kg weightlifting category sa qualification rounds ng 2024 IWF World Cup. Dagdag naman sa listahan ng pambato ng Pilipinas para sa Paris Olympics ang Pinay weightlifter na si
In a women's volleyball tournament. As we all know, in every sport, not just in volleyball, errors and mistakes will always be there. No perfect game, kumbaga. That's why I asked the two coaches on what they think is the worst mistake a player can do inside the court. And for Coach Obed, aside from having no communication and coordination inside the court, he considers the service error to be the worst error a player can make. Dahil mapapatawad pa nga daw niya kung nakapuntos ang kalaban dahil sa mahinang depensa. But letting the opponent score because of their errors, that's a big no-no for the master tactician of the Arellano Lady Chiefs. Now, as for Coach Edgar, the worst thing for him is letting their mistakes dictate the game. Bilang isang player, mahalaga daw na ma-overcome nila itong bad habit na ito, especially when they make errors on their receive. He added that his players must know when to move on, bounce back, and head on to the next play. In short, tibay at lakas ng loob ang kailangan. Kaya ba, Anton and Caro, what do you think is the worst mistake a player can do?
Ako, ako kay Coach Obet, tama yun service. Kasi instant point yun sa kalaban without even trying.
Kumbaga, hindi pa nagsisimula yung rally.
Oo,
binigyan mo na
binigay
ng puntos yung kalaban. Oh, we have Boss Francisco Paulino Caico of Arellano University, and I'm sure he's so happy with the turnout with this jam-packed Arellano side at the Philoil Eco Oil Center.
As well as the performance of the girls.
Yeah. Actually, the most pressure should be on the girls. Siyempre, lahat sila nagsisigawan para sa kanila. So they're performing well para hindi sila mapahiya at hindi rin mapahiya ang Arellanites who are here this afternoon.
Well, so far, they've been doing such a good job and nakikita nga natin yung kumbaga parang veteran experience, composure nila because despite yung mga errors nila kanina, they're able to, get back up and ngayon they're up by 4.
Hey, we have some San Beda players here from the basketball team, James Payosing and Tony Inot. Lumaki katawan ni Tony Inot. This guy has been in the gym.
Naghahanda na for next season.
Yan yung Inot San... Oh, wait a minute. Was that Inot? Inot ba yun? Nasa pinil kasi Inot Di ba? So, I don't know. Maybe he's still cheering for San Beda. Siyempre, iba yung itsura. Nakakap As we see this hit by Magaling.
Magaling today has really had a good eye on the ball. Nakikita natin ang ganda ng mga placement shots niya. Not the strongest, not the fastest, but it's just where it needs to be.
On deck to serve, Paul Guzman.
Ball goes back to the Arellano side. Paralejas running attack for Matawaran, not over.
A little breather para dito sa San Beda, who has been kind of rattled in the last few plays.
Sophie Kagalawa, serving.
11-3. Kagalawan gets the ace.
A much needed point. Padikit na ng padikit itong San Beda. And kailangan nila yung mga puntos ng ganito to hype them up. Kasi parang medyo nawawala rin yung energy that we saw earlier.
Kagalawan goes to a different target to keep the defense guessing. Molina to Habakon.
That is inside.
Si Habakon na hindi napapagod. Grabe yung power in that last hit from Angel.
This is point number 19 for Angel Habakon.
Salute service error. Sophie Kagalawa.
Paralejas. Molina on the drop. Padillon. Paralejas tumagaling. Habakon keeps it in the air. Wild hit there by Bakar.
Unfortunate attack error.
Molly Magaling, serving for Arellano.
Molina. Habakon. Padillon on the drop.
Padillon just checking the San Beda defense there. Hindi niya kailangan pumalo na malakas. Just finding that hole in the defense.
Four-point lead. Mount Magaling. Molina. Habakon on the combination. Molina finds the open spot. Smart play.
Ganyan yung advantage ng taller setter. Kitang-kita kaagad yung mga butas sa kabila.
It's Arellano, serving.
Paralejas to Padillon.
Off the block.
Getting through two blockers.
Itong spikers ng Arellano, hindi sila masyadong emphatic mag-react. Talagang chill lang sila. Cool
Yeah.
cats.
It's a different vibe on the Arellano side. All the shouting is being done by their crowd.
Angel
20 points for Angel Habakon.
Wow.
on deck to serve. Pat Molina.
Yeah, that's Stephen, our panel director here.
Server serve.
Oh, did Molina step on the line? Yung mga unforced errors ng San Beda really not helping right now.
Serving.
Molina, back set, Habakon.
Angel Habakon.
Habakon scoring left and right. Ayaw talaga magbigay ni Angel. Gusto niya talagang lumaban.
Pero yun nga, it can't just be her.
Yes.
She needs some help.
Angel Habakon.
So, her 21 points, not enough to get her team a win in the set. But they can still stay alive here as the match is not yet over. But Arellano has a 4-point lead heading into this technical timeout.
Score 16.
Bigong makapasok sa 2024 Paris Olympics si Tokyo Olympic gold medalist at Pinay weightlifter na si Hidilyn Diaz. Hindi nakamit ni Diaz ang kailangang puntos sa 59 kg weightlifting category sa qualification rounds ng 2024 IWF World Cup. Dagdag naman sa listahan ng pambato ng Pilipinas para sa Paris Olympics ang Pinay weightlifter.
Our Commissioner, Dr. Robert Milton Calo. Play continues here as we are live from the Phil Oil and Oil Center here in San Juan. Padillon. Molina. Oh!
The enforced errors are just piling up for San Beda. This one was too low for Kagalawan.
That light at the end of the tunnel getting smaller and smaller for San Beda. Paralejas easily digging that one up. Abraham. Paralejas to Dodi. Abacon, back row. De Guzman was there, Patindan with that difficult set again. Kagikla. Kagalawan gets the point.
Kagalawan using yung scrambling defense dito sa Arellano to her advantage. Finding that empty spot dun sa defense ng Arellano.
So yan yung attack points ni Habacon. 18 points off of spikes. Kombinasyon para sa Arellano. Handa doon yung San Beda as we see Padillon hits it from the back row.
Padillon creating another campfire here sa defense ng San Beda. No one there to cover that ball.
Patindan with 10 points in the match.
That's a catch with Lady Chiefs. Point for the Leonard Spikers. Substitution from the Young University, number 19, all number 13, Faybang Kumae.
18-14 ang ating talaan. Shoutout natin ngayon. Dating Finals MVP and Arellano Lady Chiefs. Regine Arocha nakatutok ngayon. Watching via live stream.
And I'm sure enjoying how the girls are playing.
Oo, sure din ako na namimiss din ni Regine itong NCAA atmosphere. Lalo na punong-puno yung Arellano side. San Beda patuloy na lumalaban. Pao de Guzman. Nobody's stopping her there.
De Guzman with a clean hit. Nakita niya dito na single block lang. Taking advantage of a single coverage and spiking that one in.
Casey Adante playing the backup setter position
On deck to serve for the Lady
here in
Chiefs,
season
Casey
99.
Adante.
Molina. Adante. Off the block.
Maui Magaling has been contributing well for Arellano. Kita natin dito. Single block using the hands of the blockers there.
Huwag ka sumabay. Wrong timing yun. Naintindihan? Sige, sige. Go, 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 go.
Hoy, di ba tapos?
Nakakatuwa talaga tong batang to. Angel Habacon. She is the definition of palaban on this San Beda side.
Hindi pa daw tapos, definitely.
In another life, Angel Habacon must have lived in Themyscira.
Grabe yung laban eh.
To the non-comic book readers, doon nang galing si Wonder Woman. Oo, but
Rotation error, I think.
yun, wag lang mawala sa focus ang Arellano.
Eagle eyes ng mga ref natin.
Yeah, our referees have been on point. The San Beda have one last run in them. Kagalawan. Oh,
The service ace.
ayaw pang bitawan ng San Beda. And now Coach Obet Javier calls a timeout.
Hindi porkit naman kayo panalo kayo, wala pa yan eh. Baka naman kayo. Oy, 1 to 5 pa. Hindi ka tayo
Ewan ko na lang kung hindi pa magising yung Lady Chiefs sa huddle na yun. Can't get any more clear than that.
Gusto talaga ni Coach Obet na straight sets. Ayaw na niyang padikitin pa.
Tsaka yung point niya, hindi pa tapos yung laro.
Oo.
That's the main thing. Ooh! At nakaswerte doon ang Arellano.
Yung height nila coming into play dito. Naibabawan yung bola.
Hart Villaflores active at the net. Habacon. Magaling. Adante. Kulang.
Villa Flores was trying to adjust there pero nahirapan lang siya. Ayan na naman yung gaze ni Coach Obet.
And it's not the dreamy gaze.
Yes.
More of like a dagger look.
Yun yung gusto mong iwasan na lang.
Pa din yun. Molina tossing it up for Habacon. Blockers were ready. Habacon will try again, changing it up. Adante was there. Pablo setting it up for Hart Villaflores.
Better execution from Hart Villaflores there. Sharp hit. Nakabawi na siya kay Coach. As you see here, finding that angle, that separation sa blockers.
Hart Villaflores providing an extra boost for this Arellano side. Habacon. Pwede pa to. Balik ang bola sa San Beda side. Habacon. Bitin.
One of the few times na nakikita nating nakapos si Angel Habacon.
Yeah, kapos and Angel Habacon is a rare set of words that you see in a sentence.
Basta 11 na lang kayo. Basta 11 na lang kayo para makapag-big ka, ha? Sige, hinihirin kayo ng bola sa likod. Sige, kaya kaya.
Coach Edgar hoping his team has one last push in them. As Arellano is just 2 points away from taking this win. Molina to Habakon. Habakon gets roofed.
Ang lakas na ng cheers dito from the Arellano crowd. They're really, at behind these girls. Isa na lang.
I can't believe I'm saying this, pero napagod din si Angel, ha?
Oo nga, parang first time ko siya nakita ganun katagal on the
Yeah.
floor.
And then before that, yung kapos na tapik. Well, she did score 21 points, so
Oh, almost a set.
Adante. Villaflores gives the win to Arellano.
Magandang hugot si Heart Villaflores ending the match that way. Much to the delight of the Arellano crowd. Sulit yung pagpunta nila dito today. Ang ganda ng performance ng girls.
Good start to the weekend. And what an entry by Heart Villaflores. Repaying the trust that Coach Obet Javier has given her, bringing her in late into this match and delivering for her team. What a win for Arellano. Let's listen to the school hymns of both schools.